Tatsunori Watanabe, is that correct? Very good. Tatsunori is the CEO of Tokoshie. Takashuni will be introducing a live demo of their AI native conversational CAD that turns natural language into editable, production-ready mechanical designs in minutes. So, should be interesting. Hang on.
Hi everyone, I'm Tatsunori Watanabe, CEO of tokoshie. Tokoshie is a Japanese traditional word and means eternal. Because we also building the 3D printer using the conveyor type, so we can make continuous and we can make eternal. So our company name is tokoshie. Our mission is very simple. We empower everyone to make anything. Today I'll show you how we build the AI that connects design and manufacturing instantly. Back in 2016, analysts predicted that the 3D printing market would reach 490 billion US dollars by 2025. But today it's only around 19 billion. So what happened? Why did it grow as people expected? There are three main reasons. The users had to learn and improve by themselves without shared data. Quality demands on the operator's skill. Most machines were for prototype, not for final product. These limits stopped the first wave of 3D printing. By the way, Gen AI has already changed how we build software. Then, next revolution is physical AI. But you can't copy and paste it like software. We started this company to close the gap between software and hardware. Our team has background in robotics. We felt those pain points ourselves. We believe that next innovation will come when AI can design and make physical things, not just generate an idea. Our answer is modeling professional AI, an AI-powered 3D printing platform where the AI 3D designer and drafter help manufacturer turn idea into parts faster, cheaper, and without expert knowledge. Here's how it works. The customer describes what they need in text or sketch, and then AI creates the manufacturable 3D model in seconds, not weeks. It checks the shape, strength, and printability before production. Then our original automated and 3D printer makes the parts automatically. Design, preparation, and printing, test, all in one smart loop. And the loop is also how we make math. We have hybrid monetized AI design SaaS subscription for design tools, on-demand manufacturing paper printed parts. We have a strong early traction. In many cases, it reduced the time by more than 90%. Estimated ARR is about 72K. We already have over 20 paying active users in Japan, mainly robotics startups, R&D teams, and university labs. Our market is huge, over 900 billion US dollars worldwide. We focus on the 550 billion prototyping space, aiming for 500 billion obtainable market in R&D teams. We started with our Japan beta, and then this year it will scale enter the US. Our founding team is bringing together AI software and hardware expertise, and then we are backed by Fixers. We are now inviting partners early customers and investors. We are Tokoshie. This is Modeling Professional AI. Thank you.
Thank you.
So very similarly, these are great companies we're here today, but there's lots of opportunity. And I'm wondering, what's the biggest problem that you see solving over the next 12 to 18 months that will really put your company out there as a phenomenal solution? Because this whole thing of AI testing before you build it, I'm an engineer, it's huge, as you know. And so what is it that you see, what are you going to win at in the next 18 months in building or suggesting people build with your technology?
The first, we want to enter the young and reskilling people to enter the first step for the using CAD. You know that using CAD is very difficult and very high expertise. We want to more easily to make the 3D design and using the 3D CAD. That's our first mission, I think.